Festool continues to redefine professional craftsmanship with groundbreaking innovations that boost accuracy, efficiency, and ease of use. From smart measuring systems to next-level dust extraction and cutting solutions, these new releases showcase engineering at its finest. Get ready to explore tools that truly elevate every project to pro-grade performance. Festool Cordless Planer HLC 82. The Festool Cordless Planer HLC 82 delivers precision, power, and exceptional surface quality in a compact cordless design. Its brushless ETSC motor maintains consistent performance, while the spiral blade system produces smooth, ready-to-finish surfaces with minimal noise. With adjustable depth, settings up to 2.5mm, integrated V-grooves for easy chamfering, and a deep 25mm rebate capacity, it's built for versatile woodworking tasks. Dual-side dust extraction, advanced safety features, and ergonomic handling further enhance efficiency and user comfort. Festool Cordless Module Edge Router MFKC 700KA. Festool Cordless Module Edge Router MFKC 700KA. The Festool MFKC 700KA is a high-precision cordless edge router engineered for flawless trimming, profiling, and fine routing work. Its brushless ETSC motor delivers smooth, powerful performance, while micro-adjustable depth control ensures accuracy down to 0.1mm. The modular tool-free interface allows quick table changes for multiple applications, and the integrated anti-static dust extraction keeps the workspace clean. Lightweight, ergonomic, and Bluetooth ready, it offers exceptional balance, mobility, and control for professional edge routing. Festool CTM-IDIIAC Mobile Dust Extractor. The Festool CTM-IDIIAC Mobile Dust Extractor is a compact yet powerful solution designed for professionals who need clean, efficient dust control on the go. Featuring auto-clean technology, it maintains consistent suction by automatically clearing the main filter, while Bluetooth connectivity enables remote or tool-activated starting. Its touch control interface, high-performance turbine, and robust mobile design make it ideal for job site use. With integrated hose storage, Systainer compatibility, and support for wet and dry extraction, it delivers top-tier convenience and performance. Festool SYS-Roll Dolly. The Festool SYS-Roll Dolly is a durable, high-capacity transport solution designed to move stacked Systainers effortlessly across workshops and job sites. With large 200mm rear wheels for tackling stairs and rugged terrain, plus 360-degree front casters for smooth maneuverability, it delivers unmatched mobility. An integrated 5kg drawer keeps small items organised, while a secure locking system and adjustable strap hold Systainers firmly in place. Lightweight yet capable of carrying up to 100 kilograms, it's built for ergonomic, reliable transport. Festool SYS-MFT Clamping Systainer Set. The Festool SYS-MFT FX Clamping Systainer Set is a versatile work holding solution designed to secure workpieces of nearly any size or shape on the Festool MFT 3 or MW1000. Equipped with lever clamps, fixed clamps, small stops, and low-profile stops, it offers fast, reliable clamping for sanding, drilling, planing, and gluing tasks. All components store neatly in a compact Systainer, ensuring organised transport, quick setup and improved workflow efficiency for any workshop. Festool Domino Tenons. Festool Domino Tenons deliver exceptional joint strength by combining solid hardwood construction with a precise rotation-proof design. Their elongated shape ensures perfect alignment, while embossed glue pockets and grooves promote even glue distribution and prevent hydraulic lock. Available in durable beech for interior use or Cypo mahogany for weather-resistant outdoor projects, these FSC certified tenons fit flawlessly in domino mortises without swelling or telegraphing. Ideal for furniture, cabinetry, and structural framing, they provide fast, reliable, and professional joinery. The Festool BR10 SysRock is a compact yet powerful job site radio designed for pros who want reliable, high-quality audio anywhere. With Bluetooth 4.1 streaming, FM reception, AUX in, and USB charging, it keeps you connected on the go. Its 10-watt neodymium speaker and DSP deliver clear, rich sound at any volume. Built tough with a splash-resistant IPX3 housing, it runs on AC power or Festool 10.8 volt to 18 volt batteries and offers flexible mounting for maximum convenience. Festool Dust Extractors CT 26/36/48 EIAC. The Festool CT 26, CT 36 and CT 48 EIAC dust extractors deliver powerful consistent suction with auto-clean automatic filter cleaning, ideal for fine wood and mineral dust. Each model features Bluetooth tool activated start, an intuitive touch control panel, and an integrated outlet for synchronized operation with corded tools. With anti-static design, smooth hose storage, and Systainer compatibility, these extractors offer exceptional mobility and system integration, the main differences being their container capacities. Festool ETSC 212 5/150 Cordless Eccentric Sanders. The Festool ETSC 212 5/150 Cordless Eccentric Sanders combine exceptional mobility with precision performance. Featuring an integrated LED light ring, they enhance surface visibility for flawless results. The brushless EC-Tech motor delivers powerful, low vibration sanding with mains level performance, while ergonomic, low profile design ensures comfort in tight spaces or overhead. Compatible with Festool's 18-volt system, they offer cable-free freedom, efficient multi-jet stream, 2-dust extraction, variable speed control, and smart customization through Bluetooth connectivity and the Festool app. Festool SYS-AIR air filter. The Festool SYS-AIR is a compact portable air cleaner in Systainer 3 format, designed to capture fine airborne dust missed by standard extractors. Its 2-stage filtration system, including a triple V filter with over 99.9% efficiency, ensures cleaner air and reduced cleanup. With up to 400 cubic feet per minute airflow, adjustable fan speeds, and smart 3-way air dispersion, it purifies rooms up to 613 square feet. Compact, mobile, and system compatible, it features filter status alerts, integrated cord storage, and an outlet for connecting tools or additional units. Festool Cordless Construction Light SYS-LITE KBS C. The Festool SYS-LITE KBS C is a powerful, versatile 18-volt cordless construction light, delivering up to 5,000 lumens of daylight-like illumination. Its 72 LEDs provide infinitely dimmable brightness at a natural 5,000 Kelvin color temperature for precise, eye-friendly lighting. The swiveling lamp body, integrated magnets, and tripod compatibility allow flexible positioning, while it's shockproof, dust, and splash. Resistant IP54 housing ensures durability. Lightweight and portable, it runs on all Festool 18-volt batteries, offering cordless convenience on any job site. Festool Guide Rail System. The Festool Guide Rail System ensures precise, straight, and splinter-free cuts for a wide range of power tools. Its integrated splinter guard and non-skid strips provide clean cuts and secure positioning without extra clamps. Constructed from lightweight, durable aluminum, the rails glide smoothly with compatible Festool tools for highly accurate results. Connectable and versatile, the system supports crosscuts, drilling guides, and optional clamps, while transport-friendly design and accessories like kickback stop enhance safety, convenience, and efficiency on every job. Festool Multifunction Table MFT/3. The Festool MFT/3 is a versatile portable workstation designed for precision and efficiency. Its perforated worktop with 20mm dog holes enables flexible clamping, while integrated aluminum profiles support guide rails and angle stops for accurate cuts. Ergonomically set at 90 cm, it reduces strain, and foldable legs allow easy transport and storage. Built with durable aluminum and a replaceable MDF top, it ensures stability, long-lasting use, and can be expanded by linking multiple tables for larger work surfaces. Festool TG-LHS 225. The Festool TG-LHS 225 is a supportive carrying harness designed for Planex long-reach drywall sanders. It shifts the sander's weight from arms to shoulders and pelvis, reducing fatigue during ceiling and wall work. Adjustable for users 1.6 to 1.9 meters tall, it offers extended reach up to 2.6 meters with extensions. Features include an ergonomic handle for one- or two-handed guidance, quick tool-free attachment, and organized storage in a Systainer SYS-3 XXL237, making sanding easier, safer, and more efficient. Festool Router of 1010R. The Festool of 1010R is a compact, ergonomic 1010-watt plunge router designed for precision woodworking. Featuring a double-sided column clamp, fine depth adjustment accurate to 0.1mm, and integrated dust extraction, it ensures clean, precise cuts. An LED light ring illuminates the work area for maximum visibility. MMC electronics provide variable speed control and constant performance under load. Lightweight and comfortable, it allows one-handed operation, quick cutter changes, and safe, efficient routing with Festool guide rail compatibility. Festool CXS/TXS 12 cordless drill. The Festool CXS12 and TXS12 are compact, lightweight 12-volt drills designed for comfort and precision. Both models feature a powerful ECTEC brushless motor, FastFix and Centratec compatibility for quick accessory changes, an integrated magnetic bit holder, and adjustable LED lighting. With 13 torque settings, excellent ergonomics, and a 0.7 kilogram design, they excel in tight spaces. Choose the CXS for inline control or the TXS for classic T-handle comfort. Performance is identical. Festool SYS-MFT Tabletop Systainer. The Festool SYS-MFT Tabletop Systainer is a compact portable workstation that doubles as a durable storage box and mini MFT work surface. Its replaceable MDF top features 13 precision 20mm dog holes for flexible clamping, while the integrated V-groove and non-skid strip ensure secure work holding. Compatible with the full Systainer system, it stacks effortlessly with other units and CT dust extractors. Despite its small size, it supports up to 50 kilograms and offers convenient internal tool storage for on-the-go tasks. Festool Cordless Edge Router OFKC 500. The Festool OFKC 500 Cordless Edge Router delivers precise mobile edge, finishing with a lightweight, ergonomic 18-volt design. Its brushless EC Tech motor runs quietly while providing powerful, efficient performance. With micro-adjustable 0.1mm depth control, users achieve consistently clean and accurate results on wood, veneers, and laminates. The transparent dust hood improves visibility and extraction, while Bluetooth compatibility enables automatic dust extractor activation. Well balanced and comfortable for one-handed use, it integrates seamlessly with Festool's 18-volt battery system. Festool Cordless Circular Saw HKC 55K. The Festool Cordless Circular Saw HK-C55K is a high-precision 18-volt cutting solution built for mobility, power, and safety on job sites. Its brushless EC motor delivers fast 5,200 revolutions per minute performance, while kickback stop and an integrated guide wedge-enhance cutting security. When paired with FSK guide rails, it becomes a portable miter system for accurate crosscuts. The saw also supports plunge cuts, efficient dust extraction, and quick blade changes, making it a versatile tool for professional builders. Festool Exoskeleton ExoActive E XO18. The Festool ExoActive XO18 is an advanced 18-volt battery-powered exoskeleton engineered to reduce arm, shoulder, and neck strain by up to 30% during overhead and chest height work. Delivering up to 11 pounds, 5 kilograms of adjustable support per arm, it boosts comfort and efficiency for tasks like drywalling, painting, and assembly. With 5 support levels, 3 working zones, Bluetooth app customization, washable components, and compatibility with Festool's 18-volt platform, it offers ergonomic, long-lasting assistance on demanding jobs.